Okay, my friends, hello, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. I just put some white paint over the blooms I just did because I wasn't quite happy with it. Let's do blooms in a garden, shall we? I am going to start with teal. Golden's teal. What color shall we do? And let's do purple. This is a custom purple. And I'm going to do purple around it too. All right, now let's do our green leaves. We have a custom color green. Now, that was a teal, and this purple, it was a mixture of fluorescent pink, dioxazine, purple, pink, I don't know. Anyway, let's do these. All right, the cell activator for this I'm going to be using is just a very dark green. Let me torch some of those. Sometimes, you know, you just got to experiment with colors. You don't know how I've never used this blue and purple, so don't know how it's going to go. We'll just see. All right. World's smallest blower from Amazon. Right. Now, going to use, where'd it go? Did it drop? My cell activator, which is Prussian blue mixed with oxide black. Here we go. Okay, we'll let that settle up. Okay, I like that one much better. I'm not sure why I have so much kind of like white in that one, but that's okay. Pretty colors. Okay, so I would like to blow this out just a little bit. should kind of be touching. Now this definitely has a lot of cell activator. And one way, well, I can blow in it also, but you can also just dip the end of your skewer in it. And wait. And I actually like the centers to be darker because it looks like a center. But I'm going to be patient this time and wait for it to do its thing. Okay, now I'm going to, while I'm still waiting, I'm gonna just make the leaves. Okay. All right. Now, let me see if those are pretty colors together. That's very nice. I like that. If I can yet move it a little bit. Nope, not yet. I have to wait. That one's not, it's still kind of sunken in down. Okay, I think I'm gonna spin it. Let's see. Ooh, how pretty. That's pretty. Oh, that's very pretty. I do wish I had as much color here as I do here in the leaves, but you know, every flower is different. I got some of the leaves that's still staying on. So I like this one. I really do. The one I did that I painted over had some gold in it and it had some pink, but I like just using two colors sometimes. And the Prussian blue cell activator is, it blends nicely. It's not too dark. So my friends, I hope you've enjoyed this. You know, there is one thing I see. This is a little too dark right here. One little spin. There we go. Beautiful. I love it. Spinning it out really opens up just the colors and the beauty of it. Okay, my friends. So, I'm gonna get you down for a close-up and I will see you in the next video. And we'll just try some other colors and then, or you know what? No, my next video after this, I think I'll do it, try to do a little bit bigger. Just go bigger. All right, my friends. God bless you.